Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on the Nintendo Switch 2. This is also known as maintenance mode. So this video is going to be particularly useful for any individuals who want to go ahead and update their Nintendo Switch 2, or maybe you want to clear it to its original factory settings. So how do you actually go ahead and enter recovery mode? So the first thing that you need to do is that you actually need to shut your Nintendo Switch 2 off. In order to do that, you want to press and hold the power button, and then you're going to click on power options, and then click on power off. So that is going to turn off your Nintendo Switch 2. The next thing that you need to do is that you need to hold the power button, the volume off, and the volume on button at the same time. Now, the second logo that appears of the Nintendo Switch 2, that is when you want to let go of all three buttons. So we're going to press all three buttons at the same time, and then that's the first logo, and then this is the second logo, and then let go. So as you can see, we've now entered recovery mode on the Nintendo Switch 2, where you can restore your settings, you can restore the factory settings, or you can update your system. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and enter recovery mode on the Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. And just simply exit out of recovery mode. All you've got to do is just press the power button, force it off. Now to exit recovery mode, all you've got to do is press the power button and then power on the Nintendo Switch 2 as you normally would. But there you have it, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.